Namaste everybody. How are you? I know what you're thinking, that why she's carrying all this baggage, why can't she let it go? Yes, here's the catch. This is what we all are doing. We are carrying so many baggages in our life. Resentment, anger, ego. We are not ready to let it go. We are not ready to forgive anyone who have hurted us. And you know who is the victim in this? We are carrying that person or that incident throughout our life, and it is not only affecting your mental health, but it is also affecting your physical health. People are getting gastric problems, liver problems because of these baggages. If you allow these baggages to just let it go, it will improve everything in your life. I do understand that it's not easy to forgive someone when you're badly hurted, because those incidents have shook you up and you never want to let it go. You want to teach that person a lesson, or you are, somewhere constantly hurting yourself as well as others. So, sometimes they are, very minimal issues, very light issues. For example, if I do remember when I was in my school time, one of my friend was sitting she was looking very sad. She was not happy, and I went to her and I asked her like what happened, and she shouted on me badly like, can't you do your own work, please mind your own business, and all of that stuff. And for that time I do felt very hurted, but I didn't revolted. I just sat, and I was constantly thinking like why she behaved like that or said those words. And afterwards, after I was just thinking about it, and she came to me after some time and said, Ritika, please forgive me, I didn't mean what I said. Actually, I was going through some problem, and you came and I just blew out of anger and expressed all of it to you. And from 10 a.m to 2 p.m. she was constantly saying sorry, sorry. And I was, this incident somewhere melted me that sometimes the person is even not, holding grudges for you, but because they have hurt it, that's why in the process they hurt the people around them. And also it gives me an insight that sometimes when people are fighting and they say bad words, they don't actually mean it, but because they are taking out that anger in front of you or with you, so it happens that they hurt you by mistake. And she remembered to forgive, but many times it happens that even the person who has hurted is not aware of it, and we are carrying that baggage throughout our life, and it is impacting everything, your career, your relationships. For example, I am carrying this bag right now. Maybe for a few hours I will not feel that much baggage, but if I have to carry it in my hand throughout, like for 2 days, I'll start feeling pain. The same bag which was very light for me, I'll start feeling the pain in my hand, and I will not be able to concentrate on anything. So this is what is actually happening in our life. We all are carrying these invisible baggages, and we are not ready to let it go. But now the question comes that, will forgiving means that we should not take action? No, you have to take action, whatever action is required. And even if you are feeling pain after getting that hurt, you have to let it go. There are many times when I've tried like anything because of anything that has happened, but I did practice. Actually, it was very difficult, but I did practice forgiveness for me and to go off that situation, and it worked miraculously. We're able to see results so fast, and it starts making, it will not only make you happy, your health will also start improving. the people around you will also start seeing changes in people, and the grudge you are holding for anyone will either walk away from your life, or that person will change there itself. And I have myself practiced forgiveness for so many incidents in my life, and I can't say that I am completely healed. I am still practicing it. There are many grudges I'm still holding, and many baggages. I have to work on that. But that is we can say that forgiveness is the attribute of the strong people. If it takes a lot of courage to forgive the person who is not even asking for, who is not even apologizing. So you have to practice that, and you have to do that for yourself. And when you constantly practice this, like I'll just share at the end what you have to exactly do in forgiveness. So when we do this practice constantly, like daily for 7 days or 21 days, people start seeing changes, and I can say it's the best feeling you can ever have, or it's very liberating. You feel like you're free of something, and that baggage is gone. And so now, how to practice forgiveness? Whenever you recall some incident, it happens generally when we are sleeping or meditating, those thoughts where you felt hurted start coming up, and what you have to do is just touch your heart and just say silently, I forgive you and I forgive myself. You have to say this and say, may peace be with you and with me. And if you are able to do this, forgive someone and remove all of this, then just give a pat on your back and keep practicing this. And when you will just get used to it, you will see a lot of change within yourself, and it will make you a very happy person. Your this curve or smile will increase, and I don't have to tell you, you will automatically see. So just give it a try and see if it works for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.